Helen here. If you ask me a Vietnamese equivalent snack to chips such as Pringles and Doritos, I would say it's NUI CHIêN. It's our rice macaroni, deep fried till puffy and crispy, and then tossed with the seasonings. It can be sweet or savory to satisfy your mini hungers between meals. And let me warn you, if you put it next to your working table, you won't be able to stop. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
Today I will share with you 3 simple recipes you can play with these cute little tricks. NUI means macaroni, but our NUI is not 100% the same as the Western ones because the main ingredients includes rice flour and wheat flour, tapioca starch, and egg and salt. Because it has rice flour in the ingredients, it will pop a lot when fried and then become really light and crispy, just like popcorn. In Vietnam, NUI is sold in about 200 gram package like this, and the popular brand is Safoco, and this one is quite new, I guess. It's called BIC. I'm not sure if you can get this in your country. You need to use Vietnamese NUI for this recipe because if you deep fry the Western macaroni, it won't pop up and it tends to be too hard to eat. You can pick them in different sizes. In my experience, the small elbow macaronis and the twisted one puff the best. First of all, we will deep fry the macaronis. Heat vegetable oil until bubbles appear around a chopstick standing into it, and then keep the heat to very low and start dropping in the NUI. They will pop up within seconds and brown very quickly too. So quickly remove with a slaughter spoon and drain to remove the excess oil. Today I will make 3 versions. The first one is a sweet version. So when the fried macaroni is still hot, just take out the oil. You want to toss it with some butter or melted butter and then sprinkle with sugar. And there you have a really simple snack but very addictive. The second version, I will toss it with bột xí muội, which is pickled plum powder. You can also use cheese powder or cacao powder or matcha or any other flavor that you like. The third one is a savory one with a Vietnamese twist. It's called spicy garlic butter fried macaroni or NUI CHIêN bơ tỏi ớt cay. In the pan, you want to melt a tablespoon of butter and fry a tablespoon of minced garlic until fragrant. And to that we will add a dash of water, sugar and fish sauce and bring to a simmer for a couple of minutes until the sugar dissolves and the sauce is slightly thickened. And then toss in the crispy fried macaronis and toss really well to coat it with the sauce. And finally, you can sprinkle with as much chili flakes as you can take. And so there you have it, so simple, right? Just in a couple of minutes, you already have 3 different crispy treats to snack on. How cool! So please give it a try and let me know what you think. I want to make more Vietnamese snack, but I have no idea what else I should make. So let me know if you have other suggestions for Vietnamese snack that you love. And please click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese food. Send me a photo if you cook with my recipes on Instagram with #HelenRecipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!